This is life-changing. You can teach your children this stuff, but you got to plug into training. And people be trying to skate on that part. Brian, I want wealth, I want success, I want freedom, but got to go to training? How the hell else do you get it? There's no other way to get it but plugging into training. But you'll go to school 4 years. Don't question any of it. Just follow the curriculum. Follow curriculum. They say I got to take art. I got to take art. They say I got to do this. I got to take that. They say I got to do this. Pre-cal. I got to do all this stuff. Then hope you get a job. Then most of us don't even land a job in our major. Most of us are still paying back what we went to school for, and the job is not even paying you enough to pay back the investment you made to get it. But we do that blindly. Then if that don't work, we ain't got no problem going back. Well, now you need a master's. Okay, I'll go get it again. Then I'm going to switch degrees and go get another one. Then I'm going to have a dual degree. But you won't come to train in 6 months. It's just the nature of people. But you got to plug in. This don't happen if you don't plug into the what? Training.